Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to help you master your money. Today, we're tackling how to categorize transactions in Mint, the budgeting app that's a game changer for tracking your spending. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. First off, why bother categorizing transactions? It's simple. It gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. Whether it's groceries, entertainment, or bills, proper categorization helps you spot trends, stick to budgets, and avoid overspending. Mint makes this super easy, but let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Mint account on the app or website. If you're not signed up yet, it's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, head to the Transactions tab. That's where all your recent purchases and payments are listed. Step 2. Scroll through your transactions and find the one you want to categorize. Maybe it's that coffee run you want to tag under Dining Out. Click or tap on it to open the details. Step 3. Look for the category section. Mint often auto-suggests a category, but if it's wrong, you can change it. Click on the drop-down menu and select the right one, like Food and Dining or Utilities. Pro tip. If the category doesn't exist, create a custom one to keep things tailored to your life. Step 4. Don't forget subcategories. For example, under Food and Dining, you could specify coffee shops. This adds more detail and makes your reports even more insightful. Once you're happy, hit save. A few quick tips. Regularly review your transactions to catch any errors, and use Mint's rules feature to auto-categorize future transactions. This saves time and keeps your data accurate. There you have it. Categorizing transactions in Mint is straightforward and powerful for managing your finances. Give this video a like if it helped, and drop a comment below if you have questions. What's your biggest budgeting challenge? Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay savvy.